Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. We're going to jump right into today's video. The first thing that I'm doing is prepping this mirror that I purchased about a month and a half ago so that I can spray paint it black. If you've been here for a while, you know that I was looking for a new mirror and I finally found it. However, it's been about a month and a half now and I still have yet to put it on the wall. This mirror is extremely heavy and it's going to require more than one person, so I'm going to have to wait until somebody is home to help me. I'm putting like 12 layers of tape down, no joke, just to be sure that I don't actually spray paint the mirror itself. I just want to spray paint the border because when you spray paint a mirror, it's kind of hard to get that paint off of there. Let me give you a super close-up so you can see how much I have this taped down. Really, there's not a lot of room for error on this, so I want to make sure that I get it right the first time. There's lots of tape. So here we go. We're going to spray paint this matte black. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I love to provide videos pertaining to home life. I'm a homebody, so I do like cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, and my husband likes to fix things. If my content is something that interests you, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out and also show that like button some love. Here's the mirror that I spray painted and it looks really good. So I took this mirror down and I got to figure out where to put that, and this is what we are left with. I'm actually at a client's house and I felt like this was a great opportunity to talk about when you should hire a cleaner, why you should hire a cleaner, and some of the things that you need to ask when you are interviewing cleaners. As far as when to hire a cleaner, you just hire one whenever you feel the need. A lot of people like to hire someone when they move into a place or move out of a place so that the cleaner can just basically deep clean for them. But when you are interviewing the cleaner, you must be specific on what deep cleaning is, because a lot of times people automatically assume that a general cleaning would pertain to windows as well, but windows is something that's extra. Anytime you have to do anything where you're like getting on your hands and knees or climbing on something, it's either not allowed or it's extra. So at the end of the day, whatever shortcut you need to take, when you're cleaning is something that you just need to do. It's okay to do that. Sometimes we need outside help and sometimes we just need to make lists or routines, but just do whatever it is that you have to do. And I think sometimes we also put the unnecessary pressure on ourselves and we are our own worst critics. Another thing to think about are the items and appliances that you want cleaned in your kitchen. Do you want a spot clean or do you want a deep clean? Because if you are requiring someone to clean the inside of your oven, that's something that's extra. It's not a standard cleaning. Also, inside the refrigerator or pantry, the organization is not something that is standard either. That's something that you would have to either pay extra for or just include it in some sort of other package that you put together on your own. How are you guys doing today? What has been going on since we last spoke? Leave a comment down below. I'm really hoping this is answering a lot of people's questions that they may have when they want to hire a cleaner, because I do get some in my inbox, so hopefully this covers it. If not, let me know. At the end of the day, communication is key, and really communication is key throughout everyday life, but especially when you have people doing work for you. Washing down walls and doors is something else that's not included in a standard clean. So just be very honest with your cleaner that you're interviewing. Let them know exactly what it is that you want and, ask them if it's something that they do. And if it does, then you guys can work the price out. Also, there are some people who are very particular about the cleaning products that they use. In a cleaner's mind, if they're leaving behind streaks, it's not clean. We like to clean things and wipe them off until there are no streaks or anything like that. So if it's a cleaner that, leaves streaks, I'm very honest with people and I'm like, hey, just to let you know, there's going to be some streaks because of X, Y, and Z. And then I may suggest a different cleaner for them to use. When moving out or into a place, it's always a good idea to check the expiration on the food. I will be doing that with the food that's in the freezer.
You should answer when I call. You are the one we want. Wanna know you. One of us.
I will say this was very easy for me to clean my client's house because she always kept up with her house when she lived there. And now that she's moved out, she just wanted me to just do some spot checking, some spot cleaning, just to make sure that it was presentable and looking good for the next tenant. Think about all the times that you have moved and the different times where you've come in and the house that you moved into has been completely trashed. When it's not, and when the previous tenant takes the time to actually get everything cleaned and taken care of, it really makes you feel good. All in all, I just wanted to show you some things that cleaners do when they are at your home, and based off of whatever package it is that you purchase for them to like do deep cleaning, spot cleaning, surface cleaning, whatever the case may be. The best advice that I could give you is to just communicate and be honest. You and your cleaner or your cleaning company should have that, respect and have that dialect with one another. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you.
You gotta play the cards that you've been dealt. I know that you get through it. What you fear is not a living here, no matter how you do it.
So again, overall, the kitchen wasn't bad at all. I wiped down the countertops and I wiped down the cabinets, which I probably did not include in this video because sometimes I don't hit record. I wiped down the doors because they were really dirty, and I also wiped down the outside exterior of the actual windows. Here's what we are looking like. That is not streaks on the actual refrigerator, it's just a glare, but the sink is nice and clean, and the grout in between all the tile is clean. As far as the backsplash, everything looks really good. Here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using today. Onion, olive oil, teriyaki, garlic. This is amazing. And then we have the Lowry's, garlic, paprika, cumin. I forgot my ginger, but I have to go get that. Oregano, onion, and red pepper. So it's about to go down up in this kitchen. I put these on 375 for about 25 minutes. The Brussels sprouts have been soaking in a veggie cleanser, so now all I have to do is get the Brussels sprouts cleaned up, cut, and I'm going to roast them, and they're going to be so amazing. Let me know below in the comments if you like roasted Brussels sprouts. I keep showing different clips of how I individually season everything. It is so important to have good seasoning on your food because it's so much more enjoyable with good seasoning. Trust me. I'm making Mongolian teriyaki ground sirloin, and it does require for you to put brown sugar in it, so I'm adding some brown sugar. I don't really follow recipes, I go off of taste, but I do know that the brown sugar just makes it even better. If you've never used this complete seasoning, I'm telling you what, you are missing out on life. It is so good on so many different things. I love me some cilantro, so I just always add extra cilantro on everything. And let me tell you, this lime cilantro rice was the bomb diggity. So I have the rice layered. On top of that is the Mongolian teriyaki meat with some fried roasted chickpeas, cornbread, and of course Brussels sprouts. Okay, it can't get any better than this. This is a healthy meal. And for dessert, we have the pumpkin cookies. They were so good.
Only I had listened for a while. I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow like a body of water.
I'm cleaning off my windows because I really don't know the last time I did this, and my fan was really dusty and hairy, so I figured my windows were probably really dirty, and they were, so I'm glad that I cleaned these off. But I also wanted to take the time out to clean the blinds. I'm cleaning the blinds with a concoction that I came up with, and it's the Blue Dawn dish soap with vinegar, water, and also some alcohol. Let me know below in the comments how often you clean your blinds off. I feel like I clean mine off whenever I feel like they're dirty. So it could be once a year, it could be every 4 months. I don't know, it really just depends. The other thing is, while you're cleaning off your blinds, be sure to do the inside of them and the outside.
See the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile.
There are certain areas of my house that just need a really quick wipe down or a speed clean, so I'm going to handle that. I'm going to handle my kids' bathroom, like I said, just really quickly wiping the mirrors off and wiping off the counters and that sort of thing, just to kind of do a refresher. I will say that I am in love with the shower curtain. I'm so glad that I found it. If you have not seen that video, it was actually my last video, and I will be sure to link it. Here's a room that you will not see me in often. I don't like to do laundry, but I did need to have some things that I needed right away, so obviously had to wash. And while I was in here, I figured I might as well just clean off the washer and the dryer.
Some things change, are lost and found, or gone forever. But this is what you are to me, like a body of water. See that through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control to know.
Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I know that you could be doing so many other things, but the fact that you turned me on today, I'm just so excited about it. I'm so thankful, and I just want to let you know that you are loved, you are amazing, and you are enough.
That reason can make me stay. Just wanna feel me, just feel me breathing. I know this feeling won't go away, and this all feels like electric power. All I want is to turn it off. Still got the sun, but still got the summer. For a dream of that be enough. I need some downtime. I'll disappear into the shadows. I'll be
Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.